thunder frog. They come out during turkey season.
What should we do, Wolfie?
Well, sit in the Suburban and stay dry, not shoot a turkey, or go out, sit in the ground blind, and get hailed on, rained on, and possibly shoot a turkey. Sounds like a winner.
A little bit less action today. Kind of stubborn old time over here. Come Every time, brother, we get together and we got this camera in our hands and this gun or a bow, we get it done. We get it done. That happened fast, brother. I'm so happy, Wolfie. Every time we get together, man, we get facing the wrong way, but that box call got him talking. He would have walked right up on us, so we wouldn't even have seen him.
Those little feathers that are drawn on there for a reason, so we got to add another one on there.
No kidding.
That's what cool. Those are.
I'm shaking. Team OB getting her done. Off to a good start. We didn't shoot them until about 9:15 or so. We were actually watching this other bird.
You feel like the ribs or the lungs are on each side. You just have to, it might have a membrane over them, so they're a little hard to tear into. But once you get underneath, they'll come out big old pink things. You guys aren't afraid of no lizards.